Welcome back, guys, to another video here on the channel. I'm at the Audi dealership right now. I came to see a badass SUV. I have an SQ5 right in front of me. I'm looking at it, and it has the ABT body kit. I know Audi really fucked up by giving the SQ5 and the Q5 owners a really messed up rear bumper and a kit, you know, to be honest. But this really looks amazing. Take a look. And I like the ABT logo here. You can barely see it, but it's there. Alright guys, so I'm finishing up the video next day because my battery died at the dealership. So I wasn't able to film a lot of the footage and of the vehicle inside. Pretty much they didn't add anything inside other than the illuminated ABT sign that you get in the bottom of the door that replaces the Audi sign pretty much, but they didn't add the carbon fiber shifter. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the exhaust tone of the new quad tips that ABT came out with the rear bumper. I really do like it. I really like the way it looks with the carbon fiber. Obviously, if you opt into getting the matte black versus the carbon fiber tips, the body kit is a little bit cheaper. But anyway, I didn't go over the price. I didn't film the price that they're asking. I mean, the dealership asking price for the entire vehicle with the body kit, which they are selling already installed because it will have factory warranty. But it's a lot. They're pretty much charging $29,000 for the body kit itself, which bumps up the purchase price to $91,000. That's fucking ridiculous. You can probably get a fucking Macan Turbo, you know, for that price with a lot better, you know, value and power and whatnot. And this truck doesn't even have the ECU tune that you can get from ABT, obviously, because it'll void the factory powertrain warranty, right? Obviously. So that's one of the reasons why the accessories guy there, Ira, told me. And of course it won't make sense for them to sell it to you. I mean, I think they do sell it, but they can't install it with the vehicle, I guess. Anyways, so pretty much it's a lot of money. I don't think I would pay that much money. And to be honest, if you go to the website to ABT Sportline or ABT USA or whatever, you could look up the brochure and you can see for yourself that the wide body is not even close to what they're asking for. The wide body, I checked all the pricing, and without the spoiler, I mean, yeah, the spoiler, it's about 5,000 or 6,000, a little bit closer to 6,000. Let's say 6,000 with taxes or so. And the body panels do not come painted. You have to take it to somebody to paint it and to install it for you. Unless you have all that and you have a body shop or whatnot, then you can install it, obviously. But you have to paint it. You have to paint it. So that's the way they come from what is it, Germany, I think? It's a German aftermarket company, I think. So you have to install that. And the wheels themselves also is another major expense, because I think the wheels, I looked them up also, and they're about 3 to 4 grand, I believe, without tires, I think. And then you can also opt into getting them with tires, and they'll ship them with you to you with that. Obviously, you won't be able to, you don't have to do much other than go balance them and install them yourself, because that you can do. The body kit is where it gets tricky, because that you have to have it painted. So either way, let's say you spend half of whatever the dealership is charging you, and that's a big it's a big savings. So honestly, I think for the money, I mean, you need to buy it. You would have to buy it yourself. Me personally, I don't like the wide body. I would probably opt into doing the non-wide without the spoiler. I hate the spoiler, I don't like. But anyways, yeah, I mean, that's my take. Comment down below if you think I should get it for my Audi. I mean, I really like it. I really like it. Obviously, I wouldn't pay that much money like for them to install it. I would just take it to my own body shop and, you know, get it. I mean, somewhere there close by to get it. I mean, there's plenty of body shops here anyway. Anyways, but comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the body kit. It looks pretty sick. I like it. It makes the vehicles look more sporty. It's awesome. I'm totally in love with it. But I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the exhaust tone. Like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. And yeah, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and there'll be plenty more to come where that came from. So, peace.